Here's the setup. No more second row seat. So
Hi everybody, I'm Vicky Alfonso.
this video channel was made as a gift for my future self, and I hope to share it with my grandchildren. Morning Baguio, it's 5:30 a.m. Monday morning. So, sobrang lamig kagabi, talagang balot na balot kami ng blanket comforter. So today, let's try to prepare our breakfast. Alright. Time check, it's 5:50 a.m. And even Cielo is now awake. Are you cold? Hmm? Alright. Alright.
Good morning.
So kanina sarado yung van. Alas ito lang yung opening. Gusto pa naming isara dahil sobrang lamig talaga.
And we had a good night's sleep.
Yeah, especially you, right?
Yes. Even though there's so much noise.
Even though we ain't got money, I'm so in love with you, honey.
Even though there was so much noise, I fell asleep.
So much noise.
Yes.
What do you mean? There's no noise.
And I was watching.
It's not nice.
And you too.
I snore?
You watched with the night too. And I couldn't.
That was last night. Let's go na. Let's make some coffee. Bye-bye. Ayun po sila, lamig na lamig. Is it cold, Elo? Hey. Okay, intact pa rin naman yung mga food namin. Hindi sila hinabol ng mga pusa. Although binutas yung basurahan. Linis na lang. Hello.
Yeah.
Say hi. Say hi to your future self. And I'm gonna say hi to my future self. Hey. It's maybe 15 to 20 degrees right now. Hindi accurate yung sa phone kasi. So today we're gonna prepare our breakfast. And enjoy the rest of our day here. That's the van. Doon kami natulog sa aming van. And then, ang aming mga kasama ayun sa tent. Bato kasi. That's the view. Habang naghuhugas kayo ng plato or pinagkainan nyo. 4-hour coffee. Papakuluin muna natin bago natin ilagay ang ating brewed coffee. Alright, so since wala tayong French press, manual muna ang ating Sagara Dark Roast coffee.
Gasyang bango.
For the two of us. Tran! After 2 minutes only, isang napakabangong umaga. Amoy dark roast, Sagara Dark Roast coffee. Shella will just give me a
Hi.
and good morning kiss. Don't sit down, okay? Because there's a coffee behind me. What would you like to say to your future self?
Hi.
So here's your bed. Here's the setup. No more second row seat. So maluwag na. So pwedeng bed extension. The driver seat lang. And of course, hello. Okay, dun sa part na yun yung magiging lagayan ng battery natin para meron tayong power source para ma-power yun itong ating max fan or air ventilation natin. And of course, yung mga ilaw din natin na nakapaligid sa ating ceiling. And of course, for our laptop and the fan. Although hindi namin to ginamit kagabi. And sinira talaga namin yung buong van. Opening lang na gano'n para medyo, syempre masarap namang huminga habang tutulog. It's the bed.
a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within.
Oh, we have a new breakfast. Di Pasopia. We're gonna have a new bread. Salamat po.
Today and not tomorrow. There's
All the way from Pampanga.
no time to
Hi everybody, I'm Vicky Alfonso. Yeah,
How did you get your idea or concept for the business?
okay. In March 2016, I'm from Manila, but I would collapse sa init in Manila, and so I told myself, this has been a dream. I wanted to live and retire in Baguio. 2 months, I had this agent looking for a place for me, and I want the garden.
Yes.
And 2 months, finally on the second month, the end of second month, she called me and she said, there's a place, but tita, it's too big. And I said, sige, can I see? Oh my God, this is for me. Really, immediately I fell in love with the place. Slowly, I did it. The way I wanted it. Oo, parang there was never a plan.
So these are for campers, di ba? And then also for those people who want to celebrate occasions here.
Yeah, anything, everything you want. It's like, imagine yourself having your own home. And then, may occasion kayo, or your friends, or your classmates, reunions, gano'n. Let's go up to Baguio, we have a place. That's my mind. The way I want my guests would enjoy my place. Inyo to, clean as you go. The way you want others to treat your home.
Yes.
Yeah.
And what amenities do you offer?
I have bonfire areas around. Maybe I have 9 bonfire areas, and I have the grotto, which has the special group grotto. You have your outdoor toilet and shower. You can do stage,
yeah.
and then here you can do weddings. What else do I?
You also have Wi-Fi. Yes.
Of course,
Strong
Wi-Fi. 50 lang ako, but that's good enough because
Yes.
I also have Mountain View and I have Globe.
So for those who work from home,
Exactly, that's
homeschooling din. Yeah.
That's what I want to happen. And food, by the way, we serve only our guests,
Yes.
no outsiders. Got to come here, and some come.
Not like a restaurant.
Yeah, I'm not a restaurant. I just cook for my guests.
Okay. And Tita, what's unique about your business?
I find it like you have your tita or your grandmother here, and I take care of the place, para for people like you to enjoy. Accommodate. There are units. There is the Barkadahan room, which I hope you can look at it sa Alfonso's Campsite, our Facebook account. I have the honeymoon house, but lahat comfortably 38.
38 versus beds. 38 beds.
Then the kutsyon na add natin sa floor kung gusto nila, as much as 60. But we've been doing this since 2016, September 5. I'm 4 years old already here.
Yeah.
And kids are very safe in my place because locked ang gate natin.
Yes.
Yeah.
And something siguro, Tita, that I would like to add, because we can borrow your freezer, di ba? Like we have beers,
talaga brand.
ice.
Pinagagamit ko talaga. Yun, brand. Yung isang yun. It's good. And every unit has their own ref also. And then we have freezers. The chest type freezers. You can keep your things.
Tita has video, okay? Kung gusto niyo rin mga
Yeah.
kumagsikantahan.
2K.
2K per Full day na yun dito?
All day na, tsaka ano, hindi yun, brand new yun, I bought it for that. Kasi pag nagre-rent ako, 3,500 to 5, bulok-bulok na
Bili ka
yan.
na, ano.
Bumili na lang ako para ano.
So pwedeng video okay, pwedeng sa room lang or pwedeng ilabas?
Inside and outside, yes.
Oh.
At night, at 9:30, we observe the silent night.
Pero for those campers na ano, magbo-bonfire, maganda rin na puti na yung ilaw at night.
Correct.
Mas ma-appreciate nyo yung...
That's why dalawang klase ang ilaw, yung barn lights, syempre nandun pa rin, pero maganda yung nagbibiyab
Yes.
yung very nice talaga.
Yeah, Tita, please invite our...
Okay, people from all over the Philippines and abroad, you know, I would like to invite everybody to come and experience Alfonso's campsite and transit house. I have built this to make the families to stay and be safe and be free instead of everything's here. Mag-grills kayo.
S'mores.
Yes, so all the kids,
Yeah.
even the oldies,
Adults, yeah.
and then my barkadahan for the honeymooners, for the events. Please come. Maluwag ang place ko. This is 5,000 square meters and lock gates, CCTVs, very safe. Yeah. Enjoy.
Yeah. So mabait po yung may-ari. At saka yung mga staff nga niya mabait. Sir
thank
Robert at Sir Macmac.
And then I can
Malamig
cook
yun
pala.
na.
I can cook for everybody.
Yun.
Anything you want, I will cook for you.
Just say it in advance, right?
Yes, yes.
Book in advance.
Always, prepaid and pre-order.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Tita.
Thanks,
Yes,
Tita.
thank you too. Please come back.
Yeah.
And not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day today and not tomorrow.
We're going home.
No, I don't want to go home.
We don't want to go home yet, but we have shift tonight now. Tatay and Nanay need to work.
No, before you work, you need to go somewhere.
Of course. Look at the back. It says Let's Wander PH.
I know, if there's a traffic, if there was a traffic, the ones behind it will see it, so they will check our vlog in YouTube. Bye. Remember to subscribe and like and share. Rock on.